This is TiLink. At first glance, it looks like a high-end, minimalist accessory. It's sleek, metallic, and fits perfectly with a suit or a t-shirt. But this gadget is actually a 24-in-1 multi-tool system made from aerospace-grade GR5 titanium. It's lightweight, incredibly strong, and sits right on your wrist. The beauty of this tool is its modular design. Every single link is a functional instrument. Take the magnifier, for example. If you're trying to read tiny serial numbers or inspect a circuit board, you don't have to go hunting for a glass. It's right there. Need to tighten something? This gadget features a total wrench system. It covers common nuts and bolts from M4 to M8. It even includes a spoke wrench for cyclists. If you're on a bike ride and your wheel feels a bit wobbly, you can make an adjustment in seconds. For the DIY fans, it packs a serious punch with its screwdriver and hex bit system. It holds the most common flathead sizes and supports standard bits. Because it comes with an extension bar, you can even reach those annoying, recessed screws that typical pocket tools can't touch. But it isn't just for repairs. It's built for daily life and even survival. There's an eternal pen integrated into the links. It doesn't use ink, so it'll never leak in your pocket or run dry. It's always ready for a quick note. Heading outdoors, it has a built-in fire starter that stays dry thanks to a rubber seal, and a double-hole survival whistle that's much louder than your average plastic one. There's even a hidden liquid compass you can add to the band. If your phone dies while you're hiking, you have mechanical certainty right on your arm. And for the end of a long day, yes, it has a concealed bottle opener. One of the coolest features is how it plays with your existing gear. If you love your smartwatch, you don't have to choose between your watch and your tools. It comes with precision machined connectors for Apple Watches and other standard timepieces. You simply swap your old band for this one, and now your watch is part of a titanium toolkit. The craftsmanship here is top tier. Everything is CNC machined, meaning the links move smoothly and fit together perfectly. It's rust-proof, odorless, and even features slots for tritium tubes that glow for up to 25 years without any charging. Adjusting it is easy too. You don't need a jeweler. You can add or remove links by hand to get that perfect fit. It's not about carrying more stuff, it's about having the right things exactly when they matter. If you're tired of pocket clutter but want to be prepared for anything, this might be the perfect addition to your daily carry.